Hi, welcome back to Woodwork Journey. I'm Dean, and today we're going to do one more upgrade on the Evolution R255TBL table saw, and that is adding a soft start module. This is not the plus version, so this is the slightly lower motor powered one, which I've not really had a problem about, but it doesn't have the soft start or the brake. I'm not fussed about the brake, but the soft start is quite important. So this is what we have to start with. It's just too aggressive for me. I think it's better than previous models, but yeah, we're gonna make this better with this bad boy. So in the kit we have the unit itself, and this is the soft start module, and this has got the red, blue and black wires coming from it. We've got some spade connectors, which make life a lot easier. We've also got other connectors and some extra wires if they should be needed as well, so that's super helpful. We've got an installation diagram going on right there, and a little bit of some instructions at the bottom there in English, top in German, I believe. And then we've also got a card with what's included in everything. So yeah, I think that's all very well and good. Let's get it installed. Oh, by the way, this cost me £18. I'll leave a link down below. What I have done here is made sure that the machine is unplugged so it can't accidentally go on, and that's obviously super important. Now we've got a cover going on the switch at the front and also goes through to the back, so I've just turned it upside down if we need access to the rear. So first and foremost, let's get this bad boy off. Now this will loosen both the front of the switch, as we can see here, and the cover at the rear of the switch, which keeps everything together. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to remove these two retaining clips on the back of here. This wire goes off to the plug, that's the mains in, and this is the wire you can see goes to the motor. That now allows me to push that through the wires through the holes there and have access to the switch panel. While I'm at it, to try and make things easier to see, I'm also just going to unscrew this out a bit of the restart switch. Like so, and then I can push that out, and then we've got access to all of the switches. You can see on the card that comes with it that this is the switch, and we're just chopping into the blue or the neutral line that's going along here, and then we're having a separate switch where it goes, or a separation where it goes into the red and the black wires of the new module. But hopefully that'll be self-explanatory in a second. There's obviously a variety of ways you can do this. We can take these off, we can do all sorts of things, but I'm not fussed about warranty, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to straight clip this blue wire in the middle, like so. I'm going to expose a bit of the wire on each side. So the blue that's coming out of the back of the switch unit, I'm now just going to tidy up together with the blue of the module. I would solder it if I had a soldering gun out here, and I'm then going to pop that, once it's all nice and tight, into one of the supplied Wagos, just like so. Now those are locked in, make sure everything's nice and tight and it's not going anywhere, and job's a good one. Right here is where things get a little bit more spicy. So what we're going to have to do, because we've got the power cable, which is the brown one right here, we're going to be unplugging that, take that spade connector right off there. So we've removed the brown and black spade plug off the back of the switchboard. We're now going to use the red cable from the module. I'm going to pop this spade connector on top of that. Make sure that's nice and tight and not going anywhere. That can then go onto the switch where we just took the brown and black off, like so. And that means we've got the brown and black lead that we just took off here, and that's got to connect to the black lead right here. So again, we'll get another spade connector. This time it's one of the male ones. We pop that on top of the wire and then crimp it down. Like so. Then we pop that back together, and then it's just a case of reinstalling everything. There should be space in the box behind for the module to go into, yeah, let's just see how we get on. I might try and get it sitting flat at the back of the box. When you're putting these screws back, you don't need to be wrenching them in and doing them like crazy tight. You just want to make sure that you're not catching any wires as you've sandwiched it together. Alrighty, so here comes the moment of truth. I'm going to plug it in. This is the first go. We'll wind the blade up so we can see what's going on. And are we ready? 1, 2, 3. That'll do for me. So there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. Nice soft start. The lights don't flicker when it comes on. That makes everything just way, way better. So a couple of things to say. Obviously, this will void your warranty if you do what I've done today, but I don't think I've got a warranty available on anything that I have in my workshop, so I'm okay with that. And also, don't do this if you're not comfortable with messing around with electrics. If you don't have any idea what you're doing, then do not do this. I've rewired a bunch of stuff and sort of been using sort of wiring things for quite a while, so I was relatively comfortable to do it. But if you're not, don't do it and find somebody who is. But that's about it for £18. We'll make sure that it doesn't ruin my machine over time. Obviously, I'm not guaranteeing it. The company didn't send it to me or anything like that. I found it on Amazon. I'll leave a link down below. But yeah, if you do this, you do so at your own risk, obviously, and the risk of your machine. And as I said, it'll void your warranty, 100%. It'll void your warranty. If you're unsure about this stuff and you don't like it, then just spend a few more quid and get their plus version with the soft start already in. That's about it though. Thank you very much for watching. I hope it's been useful. Make sure you like and subscribe the video, and I'll see you very, very soon. Bye bye.